Did you know that rust can start forming on a firearm in as little as 24 to 48 hours in a humid environment? That's a scary thought, especially if you've invested serious money into your firearms collection. Even when your guns are locked safely away, moisture trapped inside the safe can quietly cause corrosion, damage optics, and even affect ammunition over time. So the real question is your gun safe actually protecting your firearms or slowly damaging them? That's exactly why a good gun-safe dehumidifier is essential. These small devices remove excess moisture and create a dry, stable environment that helps keep your firearms in top condition for years. Some models use electric heating rods for continuous protection, while others rely on rechargeable silica gel technology that absorbs moisture without needing constant power. Today, we're counting down the 5 best gun-safe dehumidifiers in 2026, so you can find the perfect option for your safe. Stick around until the end because the #1 pick offers serious moisture control for larger safes. And remember, all the links are in the description below if you want to check them out. Now, let's jump right in. Number 5. Starting our list at number 5 is the Zarpax Gun Safe Dehumidifier. And if you're looking for a simple, portable, and completely wireless way to fight humidity, this one is a fantastic place to start. Instead of using electricity like heating rod systems, the Zarpax relies on rechargeable silica gel technology, essentially acting like a moisture magnet inside your gun safe. These leak-proof fabric bags quietly absorb humidity from the air, helping prevent rust, corrosion, and mildew from forming on your firearms. One of the most convenient features is the built-in humidity indicator, which changes color from blue to pink when the bag has reached its capacity. That means you'll instantly know when it's time to recharge it. And recharging is surprisingly fast. You simply place it in the microwave for about 6 minutes, and it's ready to go again. Compared to electric solutions like the PEET SafeKeeping or the Zarpax Rod that appear later on this list, the Zarpax bags don't provide constant airflow or heat-based moisture control. However, they shine when it comes to portability and versatility. You can place them in tight spaces, handgun cases, ammo boxes, or even travel gun cases where electric rods simply can't fit. Performance-wise, they can reduce humidity levels by around 16% in small to medium safes, which is impressive for such a compact device. When compared to products like the Afloia system later on this list, the Zarpax does require a bit more manual maintenance, since you'll need to recharge it more frequently in humid climates. But the trade-off is that it's extremely affordable, eco-friendly, and requires absolutely no electrical outlet. If you have a small gun safe, a locker, or need portable protection while traveling, the Zarpax is a practical and reliable solution. But I'm curious, do you prefer simple desiccant systems like this, or do you trust electric rods more for long-term protection? Let me know in the comments. Number 4. At number 4, we have the PEET Dryer SafeKeeping Dehumidifier, and this is where we start stepping into electric, maintenance-free moisture control. Unlike the Zarpax desiccant bags we just talked about, the PEET SafeKeeping unit uses a 13-watt heating element to gently warm the air inside your safe. That small amount of heat lowers the relative humidity and creates a natural airflow cycle, often called the chimney effect, where warm air rises and circulates throughout the safe. The result is continuous moisture control without needing to recharge or replace anything. One of the standout design features is its vertical air chamber structure, which allows air to flow upward through the unit for better circulation. This also makes it incredibly space efficient, since the triangular base fits neatly into the corner of your safe. Compared to the Zarpax bags at number 5, the PEET offers much more consistent humidity control because it runs continuously rather than waiting for moisture to build up. However, the trade-off is that it requires a power outlet, so it's best suited for safes that already have electrical access. In terms of performance, the SafeKeeping unit can protect spaces up to 300 cubic feet, making it far more powerful than most desiccant solutions. That means it works well not just for small handgun safes, but also for larger cabinets. When compared with the Zarpax 24-inch rod coming later on this list, the PEET has a slightly different design philosophy. The rod spreads heat horizontally along the base of the safe, while the PEET's vertical chamber encourages stronger upward airflow. Both approaches are effective, but the PEET might circulate air a bit more aggressively in certain setups. Another advantage is its true set-it-and-forget-it operation. Once installed, it runs silently, continuously, with almost no maintenance required. So if you want reliable long-term moisture control without constantly recharging desiccant packs, the PEET SafeKeeping is a solid choice. But I'm curious, would you rather plug in a device once and forget about it? Or do you prefer rechargeable options? Tell me below. Coming in at number 3 is the Zarpax 24-inch Dehumidifier Rod, and this is one of the most interesting electric options on the market because it combines traditional heating rod technology with a clever foldable design. Heating rods have been used in gun safes for decades because they're incredibly effective at preventing condensation. The concept is simple but powerful. By slightly warming the air at the bottom of the safe, the rod creates a steady circulation pattern that keeps humidity from settling on your firearms. The Zarpax rod takes this proven idea and improves it with a foldable structure, making installation much easier compared to rigid rods that can be difficult to fit into tight safes. Once mounted near the floor, the rod generates a gentle warmth that continuously pushes air upward, creating a convection cycle that protects everything inside the safe. Compared to the PEET SafeKeeping unit at number 4, the Zarpax rod spreads its heat horizontally along the base of the safe, rather than vertically through an air chamber. That means it might provide more evenly distributed warmth across the bottom of larger safes, especially multi-gun vaults. And compared to desiccant products like the Zarpax bags or the Afloia sticks at number 2, this rod has a huge advantage. It never needs to be recharged. As long as it's plugged in, it works non-stop. That makes it one of the lowest maintenance options on this entire list. The rod is capable of protecting safes up to 300 cubic feet, putting it in the same performance range as the PEET system, but its slim design often makes it easier to install along the floor. Another advantage is long-term reliability. Electric rods like this are known to last for years, with almost no performance drop. So if you own a mid to large gun safe and want dependable moisture protection without constantly checking humidity packs, this rod is an excellent option. Still, I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you think heating rods are the best solution for gun safes, or do you trust desiccant systems more? Let me know in the comments. Number 2. At number 2, we have the Afloia TOPZ 2+1 DG dehumidifier system, and this is easily one of the smartest and most modern moisture control systems available right now. What makes it unique is the rotating design. The package includes 2 cordless silica dehumidifier sticks and 1 dedicated heating base, allowing you to keep one unit inside the safe while the other recharges. This means your safe is almost always protected, which is a big advantage over single rechargeable units. Each stick contains eco-friendly silica gel beads that absorb up to 4 ounces of moisture per cycle, pulling humidity from the air through a 360-degree intake. When the beads change color from orange to dark green, you know they're saturated and ready for recharging. Now, here's where the Afloia system really stands out compared to products like the Zarpax bags or even the Hornady canister we'll talk about next. Instead of microwaving or oven drying, the sticks recharge on a dedicated PTC heating base, which takes only about 2 hours. That's dramatically faster than many other desiccant systems that can take 10 or even 12 hours to dry completely. The design is also extremely safe, thanks to an automatic shutoff feature that prevents overheating during the recharge process. Performance-wise, the Afloia works best in smaller spaces, up to 54 square feet, so it's ideal for compact gun safes, cabinets, and storage boxes. Compared to the electric rods earlier on the list, it doesn't provide constant heat-based airflow, but the rotating system ensures you always have an active moisture absorber inside the safe. That's why many gun owners see it as a great middle ground between traditional desiccant packs and electric rods. It's portable, rechargeable, and surprisingly efficient for its size. So if you want modern design, quick recharge times, and reliable protection without running electric power inside your safe, the Afloia system is a fantastic option. But I'm curious, would you use the rotating dual-unit system like this, or stick with a permanent electric rod? Let me know below. Taking the top spot on our list is the Hornady X-Large Canister Dehumidifier. And if you're looking for maximum moisture absorption without electricity, this thing is an absolute powerhouse. Unlike small silica packets or fabric bags, the Hornady canister is built with a rugged, perforated metal cylinder filled with a large volume of premium silica gel beads. This design allows air to flow freely through the canister from all directions, giving it strong 360-degree moisture absorption. One of the biggest advantages is its massive capacity compared to most desiccant products. While smaller units like the Zarpax bags or the Afloia sticks are great for compact safes, the Hornady X Large can handle spaces up to 100 cubic feet, making it much better suited for large gun safes or multi-gun vaults. The metal construction is another major benefit because it allows the unit to be safely reactivated in a conventional oven at 300 degrees without warping or damage. When the indicator beads on the top turn from blue to pink, you simply dry the unit in the oven for a few hours and it's ready to go again. Compared to the electric rods earlier in the list, the Hornady doesn't require any outlet or wiring inside the safe, which is a huge advantage for safes without built-in power. And compared to smaller rechargeable desiccant systems, it can often go much longer between recharge cycles thanks to its larger silica capacity. This combination of durability, simplicity, and strong moisture absorption makes it one of the most trusted solutions among firearm collectors. If you own a large gun safe and want powerful moisture control without installing electrical equipment, the Hornady X Large Canister is hard to beat. But I'd love to hear your opinion. Do you prefer heavy-duty desiccant systems like this, or do you trust electric dehumidifiers more for long-term protection? Let me know in the comments. So there you have it, 5 of the best gun-safe dehumidifiers you can buy in 2026. Whether you choose an electric heating rod for constant airflow, a rechargeable desiccant system for portability, or a high-capacity canister for large safes, the right dehumidifier can make a huge difference in protecting your firearms from rust and corrosion. If you want to check out any of these products, all the links are in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next gear review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.